Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Hey everyone, I'm Mason.
And I'm Chloe. Welcome to Fun News English, the show where we chat about real news and teach you useful English phrases.
Today, we've got 3 big stories and 6 phrases you can use right away. Plus, we've hidden 3 extra words in the comments for you. Don't miss them. Hey Chloe, did you hear Squid Game is back for season 3?
Yes, people are going crazy online. The first season took the world by storm. Everyone was talking about it in 2021.
That's true. It was the top show in more than 90 countries. Even people who never watched Korean dramas before became fans.
I still remember seeing people in those green tracksuits and red guard uniforms for Halloween. Did you ever wear one?
No way. I'm not built for jumpsuits. But seriously, Squid Game changed pop culture for a while.
Yeah, people even used phrases from the show in everyday life. I heard red light, green light jokes for months.
And that brings us to our first phrase, take the world by storm. It means to become very popular very quickly.
Example 1. Squid Game took the world by storm in 2021.
Example 2. Her TikTok dance took the world by storm.
That's true. And now, season 3 is highly anticipated. That's our second phrase today. Highly anticipated means people are really excited and waiting for something.
Example 1. Season 3 is highly anticipated by fans worldwide.
Example 2. The new iPhone is highly anticipated every year.
People are making crazy fan theories online. Some say new characters will join the game, and the games will be even more dangerous.
And Netflix said it's one of their biggest productions this year. They're building bigger sets and adding new twists.
I think people will binge watch the whole season in one night.
Yeah, probably. And hey, do you know what binge-watch means? If you don't, check the comments. Someone will explain it there.
Good idea. Scroll down and see if you can find it.
All right, let's practice the 2 phrases we learned from this story. Repeat after me.
Squid Game took the world by storm in 2021.
One more time.
Squid Game took the world by storm in 2021.
Repeat after me.
Season 3 is highly anticipated by fans worldwide.
One more time.
Season 3 is highly anticipated by fans worldwide. All right, our next story is about an earthquake in Russia.
Yeah, a strong magnitude quake shook buildings and scared a lot of people, but thankfully there were no serious injuries.
People ran outside when they felt the shaking, and emergency teams moved in quickly. That quick action is called an emergency response.
Right, and that's our first phrase, magnitude quake. It means the size or strength of an earthquake.
Example 1. The news reported a magnitude 6.0 quake.
Example 2. Scientists study every magnitude quake carefully.
And our second phrase is emergency response. That means how people react quickly to danger.
Example 1. The emergency response was fast and well organized.
Example 2. Our school practiced an emergency response drill last week.
I saw videos online of people helping each other out and checking on neighbors. That's really touching.
Yeah, and Russia said their emergency response teams were ready for aftershocks, too.
If you don't know what aftershock means, check the comments. Someone will explain it.
Good one. That's another word worth learning.
Let's practice the 2 phrases we learned from this story. Repeat after me.
The news reported a magnitude 6.0 quake.
One more time.
The news reported a magnitude 6.0 quake.
Repeat after me.
The emergency response was fast and well organized.
One more time.
The emergency response was fast and well organized. Our last story is about space. NASA's new moon lander is mission ready.
That's right. This lander will help bring astronauts back to the moon for the first time in decades.
NASA says all systems are go, and the spacecraft is ready for testing. Engineers want a safe touchdown on the moon.
And that's our first phrase, mission ready. It means everything is prepared for a goal or task.
Example 1. The team is mission ready for the big game.
Example 2. The rocket is mission ready for launch.
NASA hopes this will inspire people to reach for the stars. That's our second phrase today. It means try to do something very big or great.
Example 1. When you study hard, you can reach for the stars.
Example 2. She decided to reach for the stars and start her own business.
It's exciting to think about people living and working on the moon one day.
Yeah, and if you're not sure what touchdown means in space travel, check the comments for a quick explanation.
Exactly. It's one of those words you've probably heard in sports, but didn't expect in space.
Let's practice the 2 phrases we learned from this story. Repeat after me.
The team is mission ready for the big game.
One more time.
The team is mission ready for the big game.
Repeat after me. When you study hard, you can reach for the stars.
One more time.
When you study hard, you can reach for the stars. That's it for today's Fun News English. We covered 6 phrases and gave you 3 extra words in the comments.
Let's quickly review today's 6 phrases with example sentences. Ready?
Squid Game took the world by storm in 2021. Season 3 is highly anticipated by fans worldwide.
The news reported a magnitude 6.0 quake. The emergency response was fast and well organized.
The team is mission ready for the big game. When you study hard, you can reach for the stars.
Great job! Go check the comments for the 3 extra words and copy 1 sentence into the comments. We'll give your comment a big red heart.
And don't miss tomorrow's video. We'll share 1 phrase that can make your English sound more natural.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.